dongle, you have 500 MB of data for 3 months. 500 MB of data for any Micromax dongle that you purchase is good for 3 months, right? So, and what is the kind of content that we intend to give? We have been, with all the research that we have, we know what is the kind of content that a customer uses. So this entire 10,000 rupees worth of content.
Sir, we'll move on with that also. Sure. Sir, straight.
Constantly evolving, moving target जिसको हम बोलते हैं. If you start late, you have that much more to catch up. I think we've been quite, like I said, we are constantly adding sites, and you would be happy to know that in the last month itself, within Hyderabad, we've added 25 more sites. So I think the intention clearly is, as we go along, for us to continue to build the strength of our network. And I'll of course look at your specific location and area specifically, but I think we have a very comparable and very competitive network today. The very reason why we have so many people coming on for data usage, to my mind, is the best indicator that, and then there is an issue as far as the devices is concerned. So the more devices that go into the market, the more will be your utilization as far as data services is concerned. When you're ready, we are launching a very exciting and strategic initiative at Aircel along with Micromax. This is a first in class and an absolute innovation. What it's going to offer the customer is, first of all, it's going to offer the customer huge availability, as we're going to be tying up with Micromax's retail distribution and our distribution and leveraging on that partnership. The other big advantage is that there are some very exciting voice as well as data offerings for the customer for 3 months. Services like data at up to 2 GB a month for 3 months will be available. Very exciting voice tariffs, and most exciting part really is with smartphones being used, with content being a driver, a key usage driver as far as smartphones is concerned. We're going to be offering entertainment packages up to the value of 10,000 rupees. So it's a very exciting partnership, and we really look forward to giving our consumers far more options that are currently available to them.
దోపిడి దొంగలు చూసినటువంటి 5% మంది ఒక